Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we're here with yet another amazing opportunity. Today we will claim another free NFT on Aptos network. There's a huge hype on Aptos right now and we're trying to show you every opportunity. So not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. And now let's just jump straight into our video. So as you can see, today we will claim our Aptos 0 Testnet NFTs. For this, open up this website and as usual, all the links will be in the description box below. We're gonna have to sign in with a Discord account, Google or a GitHub account. I will sign in with a Google account, but you can use Discord or GitHub too. As you can see, we signed in. Now in step 2, we have to connect a wallet. Let's click on Connect Wallet. As you can see, there are two options. We already used Martian Wallet and we already have a Martian Wallet tutorial video. You can check that video out from the cards. But in this video, I will use Petra Wallet and I will show you how you can set up your Petra Wallet. So first, open up Petra Aptos Wallet on Chrome Web Store. As I said, all the links will be in the description box below. Then click on Add to Chrome and add extension. Now as you can see, we have added the Petra Aptos wallet extension to our Chrome. Now let's click on it and we have to set up a new wallet. So let's click on Get Started and we have to type down a password. So as you can see, I set up a password. Click on I agree to the terms of service and click on Next. Now we have to save these secret recovery phrases in order to save our wallet if we lose contact or if our wallet gets hacked. If you lose your password or if you forget your password, you can reset it with these words. But if you lose these words, you lose your wallet. So make sure to write all of these words down on a paper rather than saving them on a technological device. And then click on I saved my secret recovery phrase. And as you can see, it says you're all done. Let's click on Finish. And as you can see, we created our wallet. So let's open up our Aptos 0 Testnet NFT again. So let's click on Connect Wallet and choose Petra Wallet and approve the transaction. As you can see, it says errors prohibited this wallet from being saved. Please set your wallet network to Testnet. It is currently set to DevNet. Now let's set our wallet to Testnet. So to do that, click on your wallet, click on Settings. As you can see, it says DevNet in Network. Click on this and choose Testnet. Now after doing it, refresh the web page and click on Connect Wallet and choose Petra Wallet again. Approve the transaction and as you can see, it says claim your NFT. Your NFT is ready to mint. Let's click on Claim NFT. And as you can see now, it says NFT minting failed. Please ensure that your account has sufficient tokens to perform the transaction and try again. It basically says we don't have enough faucet to pay for the transaction fees. To handle that, click on faucet and as you can see, it gave us 50,000 Aptos tokens. Let's click on faucet again. You can do this countless times. Now we have 100,000 Aptos. Now let's click on Claim NFT again and approve the transaction. As you can see, we're gonna mint the 151,858th NFT. Just by that number, you can see how big of a hype Aptos network has. So now let's click on mint your own Aptos NFT. After doing that, let's check our library. And as you can see, there's our NFT Aptos 0 Testnet NFT. You can see that in your library section. As I said, you can use Martian Wallet to do the same transactions, but we've used Martian Wallet so many times. And as I stated, you can check our Martian Wallet tutorial videos and all the videos that we used Martian Wallet to get airdrops on Aptos network from the cards. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos like this. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page because we share very motivational quotes, important information, crypto memes, breaking news, and everything there's to know about crypto world and business world in general. So definitely check out our Instagram page along with our other social medias from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.